We just heard Justice Sunak say that the number of legal luminaries who have passed out from this college, including Justice Sunak. I am impressed that the idea of equality has actually been actualized in this college, since more than 70% of the students, I am informed, are girl students. We heard from Justice Sunak the Belva Lockwood story and the Ruth Bader Ginsburg story and their struggles and successes. Let me tell or address the girl students here at this point to say that there are three aspects. Many girl students or women get into the legal profession, there is no doubt about it, or even the judiciary. But very few get up or reach the higher echelons of the profession or the judiciary. Why is that? The reason is that a woman is conceived to have the responsibility, the pigeonholing of a woman to have the responsibility of the family, which should come above all, over and above her profession, her career. And many a time we have seen that women, soon after their marriage and having children, the women advocates do not return to the profession. There are very few who return, but they return back because they cannot survive in the profession for long. One of the reasons is the pulling of the strings from the home vis-a-vis the children and the family, and at the same time the pulling of the strings from the system and the clients, the nature of work, the long hours, responsibility, uncertain day. You never know how your day goes. In the morning, any lawyer would know. He would get up, get ready, go to the office. He thinks that he has a very good case and the judge is not sitting on that day. It goes to another bench where you would not get relief. Sometimes the lawyer goes to the court and he thinks he has a very bad case, but the judge makes out a point for his case. The way the day proceeds for a lawyer is so uncertain, and within that uncertainty, lawyers have to work day in and day out. The best part of their day is wasted in waiting for courts, for the cases to be called, and they are not able to do much work, but thanks to the technology they are able to work even in the court with the laptops, etc. You consider how it is for a woman then. She doesn't know how or when she would go back, at what time, if she is a full-fledged advocate. The family is waiting for her. And I sometimes tell that higher the degree of success, greater is the degree of guilt in a woman. But I must say that personally speaking, I am lucky because I have a very nice family. My husband, Mr. Gopal Krishna, has taken so much of the domestic chores because he has given importance to my work. Not that he doesn't give importance to his work, but he understands that the nature of my work is such that he has to cooperate. And so you all know that they say behind a successful man is a woman, but I would say behind a successful woman is a family.